I'm sure looking forward to the State of Product Management conference, and I hope you are too. And just as if you would go to the gym, you would prepare. How can you prepare best for this conference? Well, in this brief video, I will run you through the two main tools that we will be using throughout the conference to make it interactive and fun. So stay tuned, this won't take long. The first tool I would like to cover is called Zoom. And if you connect, you'll probably get a screen which looks something like this. The first one you might want to touch is called Start Video. Hello there. Start Video is cool because now I can see you and you can see me, which is kind of the point of this whole conference thingy. Another button that's interesting is called the Unmute button. Unmute button allows you to speak and we can hear you, but it means that if everybody unmutes, it's sort of getting very noisy. You note that Zoom will actually give you a notification if it notices you're speaking and you're still muted. So maybe that's a good thing. Another thing you may want to check out is the chat button. You can just type stuff in there like, where are you from? And the host will actually see this and moderate it and respond to it. You can see in the picture upstairs that multiple people have joined. And this is great because now you can actually see which of the people are joining in the conference. You can see their faces and you can also see how they interact. There's different options. You can actually select the person that you want to see, or my personal favorite, you can select the gallery view, which allows you to see all participants at once. Fun, isn't it? Another tool that you most likely will run into is called Miro. Well, for Miro, you can either use the desktop app that you can download from the site, or you can just use a browser. In this example, I'm just using the browser. Miro is like a giant whiteboard, allowing you to be guided through a number of conversations and exercises. An easy way to navigate it is by clicking the frames icon in the lower left. This pops up a kind of a menu that allows you to very quickly jump between the different slides or elements in the presentation. Another thing that you should be mindful of is that you have two ways of navigating. The one is the hand icon that I'm currently using, but if I click the little arrow, I have a select icon. The select icon allows me to move stuff around and change stuff. Well, not all stuff, just the stuff that you're supposed to move around. Although you will notice this small lock item which says long press to unlock. Please don't do that. This is the way the authors of the presentations have locked certain objects in place, which allows them to be uneditable. If there's stuff that you should be editing, it's probably something you can actually move. For example, this post-it. It says pull a post-it here. These objects can be moved. But I shouldn't be moving this arrow, right? All right. Some other interesting things is that you can actually follow other people. If the performance is high, you can actually see everybody's cursor, but you may want to hide that. You can select the presenter, for example, in this case, Robin. And if I click this icon, you will have a little eye icon, which means I will see what Robin is seeing. And that allows you to follow the presenter with whatever he or she is doing. Once you decide to do things on yourself, just click the icon again, and you can do any exercise. You can scroll a bit around, and you can do a ton of other stuff. For example, grab a post-it note and add some remark. Or click and delete it. Miro can be a fun way to collaborate, so I hope you enjoyed it throughout all of the sessions. That's it. See you at the State of Product Management. Good luck.